Dude, why are you gonna come out and try and go that way? Are you kidding? Oh, for fuck's sake, these people. Look at this. What is he doing? What is this? Did that person just fucking hit me? 64 CRX. I don't know. I don't think so. It looked awfully close. Yeah, I got it. U64 CRX. I looked out the from my angle, I swear. I don't think he hit it. Impressive. I couldn't believe what that guy was just trying to do in front of you. He might have hit me because there is a scratch there that I don't think was there, but it's like so minimal, it's not even.
I mean, I didn't feel it.
I didn't feel or hear anything, but it was literally, I was looking at his trunk right here, like right here.